Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Code with Arhan, and in this video we are going to find the minimum and maximum number in the array in Python. So let's get started quickly. So first we will define an array. So array is equal to square matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's just change it to 450 62 35 57 40 68 70 87 99 Okay, now we have to find the minimum number in the array. Okay, so min num is equal to min array. So min num is our variable and min is a function, and it's a built-in function in Python. So it will return us the minimum value in the array. So let us now print this. Then the minimum number in the array is this. Okay, let's use f string here. F string is curly brackets unwanted part. Then we have to find the maximum number in the array. So we create a variable named maxnum is equal to max array. So here max number is a variable and max is an inbuilt function in Python which gives us the maximum value in the array. So now we have to write here print new output. Okay, now we have our small minimum number and the maximum number. So let's run this our code. So it gives us the minimum value in the array is 35, which is right, and the maximum number in the array is 100. Okay, now let's experiment with the array which has only one number it is. Let's see what does it do. So ARR is equal to 5. Now we are going to do min num is equal to min ARR. Okay, and send is equal to max ARR, and we will just print this as is. Maximum number in ARR let's run this code again. So it's giving us the 5 value, which is the minimum and the maximum number. This is because as the Arhan has only one value in it, so the minimum and the maximum value of number is itself. So that's all for this lecture, I think. So, and don't forget to check out the main function and max function with your own arrays. Create your own array, explain with it, and tell me if you have any doubts in the comments. Thank you and subscribe to my Covid Arhan channel.